share a fun fact. Welcome to Let Me Share a Fun Fact, your go-to channel for discovering the most intriguing and mind-blowing facts about the world around us. Today, we're diving into some of the most fascinating and surprising tidbits of knowledge that will leave you amazed. From the incredible adaptability of dolphins and the supercharged hearts of hummingbirds to the mysterious world of slugs and their four noses, we're exploring the wonders of nature and science that you probably never knew existed. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to have your mind blown by these astonishing facts. The amazing bone count transformation in humans. When a baby is born, its tiny body is made up of around 300 bones. These bones are small, flexible, and designed to help a baby pass through the birth canal and grow rapidly in the early years of life. Interestingly, as babies grow, many of these bones begin to fuse together. For example, the bones in a baby's skull are initially separated to allow for growth and development. Over time, these bones gradually join to form the solid structure of an adult skull. By the time a person reaches adulthood, they have only 206 bones. This fusion process is essential for creating the strong and sturdy skeleton needed to support the body's weight and facilitate movement. The reduction in bone count might seem like a loss, but it's actually a brilliant adaptation, ensuring that our bones are strong enough to support us while still allowing for flexibility and movement in our joints. Bee vision, a marvel of nature's design. Bees are fascinating creatures, and one of their most intriguing features is their eyes. Unlike humans, who have just 2 eyes, bees have 5. These 5 eyes are divided into 2 types, the 2 large compound eyes and 3 smaller simple eyes called ocelli. The compound eyes are made up of thousands of tiny lenses, giving bees a mosaic-like view of the world. These eyes are crucial for detecting movement and color, helping bees navigate through their environment, find flowers, and avoid predators. The 3 ocelli, located on the top of their heads, are simpler and primarily detect light intensity, helping the bee maintain stability and orientation during flight. This combination of eyes gives bees a unique and highly efficient visual system that is perfectly adapted to their needs. It's no wonder that bees are such skilled navigators and crucial pollinators in our ecosystems, with a vision system that seems almost otherworldly in its complexity. The enormous eyes of the giant squid. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, where sunlight barely penetrates, lives one of the most mysterious creatures on Earth, the giant squid. These elusive giants have the largest eyes of any known animal, with each eye measuring up to a foot in diameter, about the size of a dinner plate. These massive eyes are perfectly adapted for the squid's deep-sea habitat. In the inky darkness of the ocean's depths, having large eyes allows the giant squid to capture as much light as possible, giving it the ability to spot prey or predators from far away. The large eyes also help in detecting bioluminescence, the faint glow that some deep-sea creatures produce. This extraordinary visual ability is crucial for survival in an environment where visibility is limited and danger can lurk just beyond the range of vision. The giant squid's eyes are a testament to nature's ingenuity, showcasing how evolution can create adaptations perfectly suited to an organism's environment. Dogs, masters of taste and smell. Dogs are known for their incredible sense of smell, but their sense of taste is also fascinating. While humans have around 9,000 taste buds, dogs have approximately 1,700. Although this is significantly fewer than humans, it's still much more than cats, who have only around 470 taste buds. The distribution of taste buds in dogs is also different. They have specific taste buds that are sensitive to water, which is something humans don't have. This adaptation is thought to be important for dogs' hydration and could explain why dogs are so eager to drink after physical activity. While their sense of taste is not as developed as ours, it's intricately connected to their powerful sense of smell. The combination of taste and smell allows dogs to experience food in a way that is uniquely theirs. Whether it's detecting the subtle flavors in their food or savoring a favorite treat, a dog's sense of taste plays a crucial role in its everyday life. The astounding growth of bamboo. Bamboo is often associated with its iconic status in Asian culture, but one of its most remarkable traits is its growth speed. Bamboo holds the title of the fastest growing plant in the world, capable of shooting up by as much as 91 centimeters, about 35 inches, in a single day under optimal conditions. This rapid growth is due to the unique structure of bamboo cells, which can stretch significantly faster than those of most other plants. Bamboo is actually a type of grass, but it can grow as tall and as strong as many trees, making it an incredibly versatile resource. In addition to its impressive growth rate, bamboo is also highly sustainable. It can be harvested without killing the plant, and it regrows quickly, making it a renewable resource for everything from construction materials to clothing and even food. Bamboo's rapid growth and versatility make it a vital resource, especially in the face of increasing environmental challenges. The shark's superpower, disease immunity. Sharks are often feared for their sharp teeth and predatory nature, but one of their most impressive traits is something far less visible: their immunity to disease. Sharks have a highly effective immune system that protects them from nearly all known diseases, including cancer. Researchers have long been fascinated by this phenomenon, leading to studies on how sharks' immune systems differ from those of other animals. One theory is that sharks have a unique set of genes that help them fight off diseases, which could potentially offer insights into developing new treatments for humans. Their skin also plays a role. It's covered in tiny, tooth-like structures called dermal denticles, which not only make it difficult for parasites to attach but also prevent infections. This remarkable resistance to disease makes sharks some of the most resilient creatures in the ocean, surviving for hundreds of millions of years with minimal evolutionary changes. Sharks' immunity is a testament to the incredible adaptability and endurance of these ancient predators. Enjoying these amazing facts? If you're loving what you're hearing, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more incredible content. And let me share a fun fact. We're all about bringing you the most interesting and surprising stories from the natural world, science, and beyond. So go ahead, subscribe, and let's keep the fun going. The Kiwi bird, nature's smallest giant egg layer. The Kiwi bird, native to New Zealand, is an extraordinary creature in many ways, but one of its most striking features is the size of its eggs. Despite being a small, flightless bird, the kiwi lays eggs that are astonishingly large in relation to its body size. In fact, a kiwi egg can weigh up to a quarter of the bird's total body weight. To put this in perspective, it's as if a human mother were to give birth to a child weighing nearly 20 kilograms, 44 pounds. The egg is so large that it takes up most of the space inside the female kiwi's body, pushing other organs aside and requiring an incredible amount of energy and resources to produce. This oversized egg provides the kiwi chick with a rich yolk, allowing it to develop fully before hatching and emerging as a highly independent young bird. The kiwi's unique egg-laying ability is a remarkable example of how evolution can shape species in surprising and unexpected ways, ensuring the survival of even the most peculiar creatures. The not-so-empty void, the secrets of intergalactic space. When we think of space, we often imagine a vast, empty void, a place of complete nothingness. However, space is not entirely empty. Even in the most desolate stretches of intergalactic space, there is still something there, approximately 1 atom per cubic meter. While this may seem negligible, it's a reminder that the universe is never truly void of matter. These sparse atoms, usually hydrogen, drift through the cosmos, remnants of the early universe. Over time, gravity can pull these atoms together, contributing to the formation of new stars and galaxies. The presence of these atoms also plays a role in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang that permeates the universe. This radiation provides us with valuable information about the early universe and the processes that shape the cosmos. So, while space may appear empty to the naked eye, it's actually filled with subtle traces of matter that continue to influence the universe in profound ways. The incredible human nose, 1 trillion cents and counting. The human nose is far more powerful than most people realize. With over 400 types of scent receptors, our noses can detect more than 1 trillion different odors. This extraordinary ability is due to the complex structure of our olfactory system, which allows us to distinguish between an immense variety of smells, from the subtle notes of a fine perfume to the unmistakable aroma of freshly baked bread. Our sense of smell is closely linked to memory and emotion, often triggering vivid recollections and deep feelings. For example, the smell of a particular flower might remind you of a loved one, while the scent of a favorite dish can transport you back to your childhood. Despite this incredible capacity, our sense of smell is often taken for granted, overshadowed by our reliance on sight and hearing. However, it remains one of the most important senses, playing a crucial role in our daily lives, from enjoying food to detecting dangers like smoke or spoiled food. The lyrebird, nature's greatest mimic. In the forests of Australia, the lyrebird reigns supreme as the ultimate mimic in the animal kingdom. This remarkable bird is not only known for its beautiful, lyre-shaped tail but also for its incredible ability to imitate almost any sound it hears. From the calls of other birds to the noises of cameras, car alarms, and even chainsaws, the lyrebird's vocal repertoire is astonishing. This mimicry is so accurate that it can fool both other animals and humans alike. The lyrebird's talent is not just for show, it's believed to play a role in attracting mates and defending territory. By mimicking the calls of predators or the sounds of human activity, the lyrebird can create the illusion of a more dangerous or occupied environment, deterring potential threats. This extraordinary ability makes the lyrebird one of the most fascinating and skilled vocalists in the natural world, showcasing the incredible diversity and complexity of avian communication. Dragonflies, the sky's most efficient predators. Dragonflies may look delicate with their slender bodies and gossamer wings, but they are among the most efficient predators in the animal kingdom. With a hunting success rate of 95%, dragonflies are unrivaled in their ability to catch prey. This astonishing efficiency is due to their incredible speed, agility, and precise vision. Dragonflies can fly in all directions, even backward, and can hover in place like a helicopter, allowing them to track and capture prey with deadly accuracy. Their large, multifaceted eyes give them nearly 360-degree vision, enabling them to detect the slightest movements of their prey. Once a dragonfly locks onto a target, it calculates the perfect interception course, ensuring that it catches its prey in mid-air with its powerful jaws. This combination of speed, agility, and keen vision makes the dragonfly a formidable hunter, capable of taking down mosquitoes, flies, and even other insects. In the world of aerial predators, the dragonfly stands as a master of efficiency and precision. The giant salt crystals of Naica, a subterranean wonder. Deep within the earth, in the Naica mine of Chihuahua, Mexico, lies one of the most astonishing natural wonders, the largest salt crystals ever discovered. These colossal crystals, some measuring up to 12 meters, about 39 feet in length, were formed over thousands of years in the mine's underground caverns. The crystals are made of gypsum, a mineral that forms in evaporating saline water. The unique conditions in the Naica mine, constant high temperatures and the presence of mineral-rich water, allowed these crystals to grow to their enormous size. Walking through the crystal-filled caverns is like stepping into another world, with the massive, translucent formations towering above you, shimmering in the dim light. These crystals are not only a testament to the incredible processes that occur beneath the Earth's surface but also a reminder of the beauty and wonder that nature is capable of creating. The Naica crystals are a true geological marvel, capturing the imagination of scientists and adventurers alike. Dolphins, masters of half-sleep vigilance. Dolphins are remarkable creatures, not just for their intelligence and playful nature, but also for the unique way they sleep. Unlike humans, dolphins sleep with one eye open and only one hemisphere of their brain at a time. This fascinating adaptation is known as unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, and it allows dolphins to remain alert to potential predators while still getting the rest they need. By keeping one eye open and one half of their brain active, dolphins can continue to monitor their surroundings and ensure they can surface for air, as they must consciously breathe. This ability to stay partially awake while resting is crucial for their survival in the wild, where threats can come from both above and below the water. It also allows them to maintain social bonds, as they often sleep in pairs or groups, with one eye open to keep watch for the group. This combination of rest and vigilance is a testament to the incredible adaptability of dolphins in their aquatic environment. Penguins and their salty secret, nature's water filtration system. penguins are well adapted to life in some of the harshest environments on Earth, including the frigid waters of the Southern Ocean. One of their most remarkable adaptations is their ability to drink seawater without getting dehydrated. Penguins have special glands located just above their eyes, known as supraorbital glands, that filter out the salt from the seawater they ingest. These glands extract the salt from the blood, and then the penguin excretes the concentrated salt solution through its beak or by sneezing. This incredible adaptation allows penguins to survive in environments where fresh water is scarce, relying on the abundant seawater around them. The ability to process salt water gives penguins the freedom to venture far from land in search of food, making them highly efficient hunters in their icy habitats. This unique trait highlights the incredible evolutionary adaptations that enable penguins to thrive in some of the most extreme conditions on the planet. The hummingbird's heart, a marvel of nature's engineering. Hummingbirds are the jewels of the avian world, known for their vibrant colors and extraordinary flight abilities. But what truly sets them apart is their heart, which beats at an astonishing rate of up to 1,200 times per minute. This rapid heartbeat is essential for maintaining the hummingbird's incredibly high metabolism, which fuels their energetic lifestyle. To hover in place or dart between flowers at lightning speed, a hummingbird must consume vast amounts of energy, which it gets from the nectar of flowers. The fast-beating heart pumps oxygen-rich blood through their tiny bodies at an incredible rate, ensuring that their muscles receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to sustain such intense activity. When resting, their heart rate can drop to as low as 50 beats per minute, conserving energy. This remarkable range in heart rate is a key factor in the hummingbird's survival, enabling it to maintain the energy balance necessary for its high-speed, nectar-fueled existence. The expanding Atlantic, a slowly widening ocean. The Atlantic Ocean, which separates the Americas from Europe and Africa, is slowly getting wider every year. This phenomenon is due to the movement of tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface, specifically at the mid-Atlantic ridge, where the Eurasian and North American plates are moving apart. The oceanic crust is created at this ridge as magma from the Earth's mantle rises to fill the gap, gradually pushing the continents on either side of the Atlantic further apart. On average, the Atlantic Ocean widens by about 2.5 centimeters, approximately 1 inch, each year. While this might seem like a small amount, over millions of years, it has led to significant changes in the shape and size of the ocean. This process, known as seafloor spreading, is a fundamental aspect of plate tectonics and plays a crucial role in the Earth's geological activity. The ever-expanding Atlantic is a reminder of the dynamic nature of our planet, where even the seemingly stable ocean basins are constantly changing. Earth, the only planet with plate tectonics. Earth is unique in many ways, but one of its most distinctive features is its tectonic activity. Our planet is the only one in the solar system known to have active plate tectonics, a process where the Earth's lithosphere, the outer shell, is divided into several large and small plates that float on the semi-fluid asthenosphere beneath them. These plates move, collide, and slide past each other, shaping the Earth's surface and driving the cycle of mountain building, earthquakes, and volcanic activity. This process is also crucial for the recycling of carbon dioxide through subduction and volcanic outgassing, which helps regulate the Earth's climate and maintain conditions suitable for life. Without plate tectonics, Earth might not have the stable climate necessary to support such a diverse range of life forms. The movement of these plates is a powerful force, continually reshaping our planet's surface and influencing the environment in ways that are essential to life as we know it. The curious case of slugs. 4 noses, 1 slimy explorer. Slugs might not be the most glamorous creatures, but they possess a rather unique feature: 4 noses. Unlike humans, who rely on a single nose to detect odors, slugs have 2 pairs of tentacles on their heads, each with its own specialized function. The longer pair, known as the upper tentacles, are responsible for detecting light and smells, acting like the slug's primary noses. The shorter pair, called lower tentacles, are used for feeling and tasting the ground directly in front of them. These noses allow slugs to navigate their environment effectively, helping them find food, avoid predators, and locate potential mates. The ability to process multiple sensory inputs simultaneously makes slugs surprisingly adept at exploring their surroundings. Despite their slow pace, slugs are well equipped to thrive in a variety of environments, from gardens to forests. Their four noses are a fascinating adaptation that underscores the diversity of life and the many ways creatures have evolved to interact with the world around them. And there you have it, some of the most incredible and unexpected facts that truly showcase the wonders of our world. If you found these fun facts as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community here at Let Me Share a Fun Fact. We'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below and let us know which fact was your favorite and if there were any you already knew. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, there's always more to learn.